Not today. I took it off.
Oh, you took it off?
Yeah, like sometime I think I don't know. I think I took it off for some reason.
The tide's really low.
Yeah. And this GoPro is amazing. Oh, 2 more bikes are going there. Is that like us in the future? It's just an old man and a middle-aged man. Is that like us in the future?
Probably.
Yeah. Okay, I'm still recording. Okay, so this.
I hope you're an old man in the future.
This
means that you live a long time.
is Dunedin.
I thought you were going to say this is Dunedin's most intelligent person.
Oh, seagull! Yeah, there's a lot of birds.
And best looking.
Yeah, like as it. Oh, that's my soda just fell over. Okay, so this is Dunedin. It's an amazing place. There's a really cool park over there. Seagull. That seagull's looking at me funny. Destroy it.
Yeah, what's your camera?
Yeah. Yeah, this is a really good camera. I'd suggest the GoPro Hero 7 and any Hero 7. I have the GoPro Hero 7 White Edition. It's really good. And seagulls keep landing in front of us. The seagull from out of the sky. Yeah, the seagull's like, I want your food, but we don't have any food.
Yeah, we don't have food, mate. We ain't food types.
There's a lot of gulls over there.
Yeah, they love the mud flats, eh?
Yeah.
Lots of little sea worms.
It's probably going to take me 3 hours to edit this because it's like, I'm going to probably spend half an hour trying to find out how you can blur things out. Then another half an hour to find out how to move them doing a video. And then like, it's an hour, and then probably like...
You know, the software that I used to use, I still have a copy of it. It's Camtasia.
Yeah.
Have you heard of that software?
Nope.
Camtasia, you can get a trial run for a month, I think, with it. Like a professional Camtasia, and it's like the one that you're using. It's really intuitive to use.
Yeah.
It's quite good.
Yeah.
It's great software.
Yeah.
Really expensive to buy.
Yeah.
But I think I can pirate it. And you can get a month's trial.
Yeah. I only need like...
Yeah, well that's what you can do. You can go through a few of the really expensive ones using the trial editions.
Yeah. Like, it's just like, okay, you use the free trial, and then you use the free trial again and again.
Yeah, if I go back to Polytech next year, I'll have access to a lot of that software.
Yeah. Nope, I don't need it. I've only been recording for 21 minutes.
I
Yeah.
wonder how... You're going to need a big data card for that, man. I should have given you one of those
Yeah.
hay fever pills, buddy. They really work, I think.
Cause like now I'm just sneezing. Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get my GoPro back on my helmet. Oh yeah, also like, this is the helmet I'm using. I put a GoPro stick on the front. It's like a ski helmet. But it's really smooth, so I use it as my GoPro helmet because I can put on one of the GoPro mounts. Because they stick on. Yeah. Hey Dad?
Yeah?
How much did the GoPro cost?
They're about $350.
That means you can probably buy a bike for less than this GoPro. Except it's still one of the top quality
Like
cameras.
it cost $350. It cost me $300, but it was on sale from $400.
Yeah. That means this camera was more expensive than that bike. That boy. You see that tire? This one? Yeah.
Half of those bikes.
Oh my god. Yeah, basically this is like the Portobello area. That's what I'm gonna call it. It's a really cool park. It's just like over behind you, Dad. Yeah, it's over there. Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be easy going back, so I'd like to stop and go into swings for a minute at the park. I don't feel safe with that. Like that, my drink, it fits in and it's just like wobbling around. I don't really trust that I drink from it too much. Yeah. Yeah. If you do come to New Zealand, I'd recommend like Dunedin. The harbor's amazing. You can go fishing, swimming. It's clean. It's a nice temperature. And also right by the harbor is St. Clair and St. Kilda and other beaches. St. Clair and St. Kilda are amazing because like they're beaches that are right on like the coast. It's absolutely amazing. Also, a few of the shops around St. Clair are amazing, like the Esplanade, and is that what it's called, the Esplanade? Is that what's the shop as called, like the Esplanade? Isn't the shop in the St. Clair called the Esplanade?
I'm not sure what it's called. Surf shop.
That's the surf shop. Oh yeah, it is the Esplanade. So this is the Esplanade, surf shop. There's some cool parking lots. You can go surfing, swimming. Yeah, it's really good. Also, if you come here, I suggest going to Cadrona, or Treble Cone, or like the Incredibles, Coronet Peak, or like one of those places because they're really cool. And yeah. Yeah, I don't feel safe with my drink being in there. But it's fine, if it falls out, I'll just pick it up.
Hey, buddy. Thank you.
I'm going way faster. There's no headwind. Probably have gone up there and gone to the boat club, but there's a truck. Yeah, this is a really cool park, as you can see. I'm just gonna put my bike here, or actually no, I'm gonna take it around. So something that's really cool. So not the super long flying fox. That's honestly not too cool compared to the rest of the things. But like these beams. I used to jump off the end of them. It's fun to just walk out here. Then you're like, oh god, I almost slipped. Yeah, that's the feeling you always get on this. The other side is way more wobbly. Yeah, it's been like this for quite a while. This is cool, that's been repainted recently. Then there's the slide. Oh my GoPro. The slide, it works. It's fun. The seesaws were repainted. And then there's the swings. My favorite part. What is this video turned into? Actually, wait, I have an even better idea. Okay, so that's facing down. Okay, there we go. Adjusted it. Now you can see the swing. Yeah, you just see my GoPro on my helmet is down there.
They've redone the bottoms on all this stuff.
Yeah, they redid a bunch.
Yeah. Nice. Hey, hold on. Isn't there that bigger slide here?
Yeah, they removed it. Now let me adjust this camera.
That's another good thing about a helmet camera. You can use it like a, what do you call them? Tripod.
Yeah.
Mount. Down.
Okay, that's good. That's the swings. Then here is probably the longest thing, just not the most fun. That felt weird. I was like, my helmet is just weird with this. Okay, yep, I'm still recording. 32 minutes so far. It's about the normal length for my videos, so yeah. Let's go. I just got a headache. No, not me. Okay, so I've kind of cut down on commentary lately because like my videos weren't that good because I kept failing at everything because like I haven't had much because like I had too much commentary. And so basically I'm gonna have commentary in my vlogs, but in my normal like gaming videos there's not gonna be as much commentary because like I just want to like do something you guys enjoy without failing because I'm too concentrated with commentary. So lately I've barely even been talking in my videos, and I haven't uploaded in a few days. That's because like I was mentioning to my viewers that I haven't uploaded in a few days because like my videos suck because my lack of commentary. So yeah, and also it's around Christmas. I'm not gonna upload at Christmas. What?
Your writing's getting a lot better.
Yeah. Oh, that was Val.